In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an expense account in the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Desktop. If you want to keep your bookkeeping organized and make your reports more accurate, creating the right expense accounts is an important step. Expense accounts help you track where your money is going, whether it's for office supplies, utilities, software, or other day-to-day business costs. In QuickBooks Desktop, this process is straightforward, and once you know where to go, you can set up new accounts in just a few moments. To begin, open QuickBooks Desktop and go to the Lists menu at the top of the screen. From there, select Chart of Accounts. This is where QuickBooks stores all of the accounts used to organize your company's financial activity, including bank accounts, income accounts, liabilities, and of course, expense accounts. Think of it as the backbone of your accounting system. Once you're inside the Chart of Accounts window, look for the Account button near the bottom of the screen. Click it and then choose New. This opens the Setup window where you'll define the type of account you want to create. At this stage, QuickBooks will ask you to select an account type. Choose Expense if the account is for regular operating costs. If the expense is related to non-operating items, select Other Expense instead. Choosing the correct type matters because it affects how the account appears on your financial reports. After making your selection, click Continue. Now you'll enter the account details. In the account name field, type the name you want to use for this expense account, such as Office Supplies. It's a good idea to choose a name that is clear and specific, so it's easy to recognize later when entering transactions or reviewing reports. You may also see optional fields such as description and tax line mapping. These can be filled in if they're relevant to your business. A description can provide extra clarity about what the account is used for, while tax line mapping may help if you work closely with tax reporting and want your records categorized more precisely. If you're unsure about the tax line setting, it's usually best to check with your accountant before making a selection. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Your new expense account will now be added to the chart of accounts and ready to use in bills, checks, journal entries, and other transactions. That's how to create an expense account in the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Desktop.